Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So how can you add alt text to your images? Let me just show you. If we go into the back end, we go to My Content Web Page Builder. We're just going to create a new web page. Now, if we add an image to this web page, we'll just check and see what we've got in the default settings. And we'll just grab one of these images. Okay, so we've got an image on our web page, but what we might want to do is add some alt text to it, and that will help with SEO. If you click on the image and use a T for alternative text, you can then enter some text into this space here. So that's how you can do it on a static web page. You can also add it to your post images as well. So if we go to My Content and then Manage Posts, if you have some images that are available here, this is just a default website. But if you were going to add some alt text to your images within here, you can go to Actions and Edit Image Data. And when you click on that, you can add some alternative text to this section here, and that'll help again with your SEO. So that is how to add alt text to images. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.